Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add extra charges in your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is a home page where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account if you have not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding extra charges. So here we have the WooCommerce section at the left side screen where you can get started starting a new store if you have not already, and if you already have a store you can access it and manage it from here, all your products, info, and so on. But what we are looking for is the plugin section. So by opening the plugin section right here, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins you can use in your store, and this at the top of the screen you'll have a search bar. So in the search bar you want to search for extra charges. By searching for extra charges, you can see this is going to give us a result all the plugins that we can use, and one of the plugins we are looking for guys is this one right here, which is called conditional cart fee extra charge rule for WooCommerce extra fees. That's going to enable you to add optional fees that you want to your charges and checkouts in your store. So by installing the plugin using the install button, that's going to appear right here. Using the install button is going to add it to your store, and after that you can just go ahead and access it from the WooCommerce section I have just showed you right here and manage your plugins and add your extra fees and extra charges using that plugin. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.